Hey guys, it's your boy Flashy back with another video, y'all, and today we're gonna be doing a cooking session. This is a spicy cooking video. It's a little snack. By the way, before we get into this, whoever does this video with me and they make the snack that I'm about to show you guys, I would personally pay you $10 or give you 1,000 V-Bucks. I want someone else to do this and try it with me because I used to have this a lot. It's really good, and yeah, let's get started. So first, you get a pan, get whatever oil you have. You have vegetable oil or coconut oil, just whatever oil you have, put it in the pan. So we're gonna light up the fire now. Alright, cool. Light the fire, put on like a medium, maybe like 6, 7, something like that. And then what you wanna do is, oh, by the way, you're gonna need a Cheeto bag, meat, 2 slices of cheese. Whatever cheese you want. It could be hamburger meat or taco meat, doesn't matter. But make sure you have Cheetos. We have a lot here. I only need one though. We're gonna open this now actually to have it ready. Perfect. Now we're gonna put our meat inside the pan. Make sure, don't forget to put oil in your pan. So put the meat in here, like that. All right. And if you guys don't know how to cook the meat, you're gonna make sure that's brown on the inside and the outside. So I'm gonna be back in like 12-15 minutes when this is done and cooked, and I'm gonna get back to you guys the next steps. Let's go. Alright guys, when the meat is like boiling, cause like the oil and stuff, you know, just stirred a little bit, it's gonna be popping. So make sure you either have something cover your face, or make sure like back up some when you're stirring it, cause it's gonna be popping in your face and it'll burn. So just wanna let y'all know we're almost done here. About 2 more minutes and this should be fully done, and we're gonna put it in the Cheeto bag. And yeah, alright guys, we're done cooking. This is what the meat turned out to look like, and it's a lot of grease. I put too much oil in it, too much vegetable oil. So I'm gonna pour some of this out in a bowl. Make sure you guys have a bowl so you guys can pour your grease in it, or you guys can pour it away, whatever you want to do. But we don't have it. Alright, trying to make sure the meat doesn't fall out, which it looks like it is. I don't cook, guys. Alright, there we go. I got most of the grease out because I don't want the grease in my chips, you know? So, now what you want to do, get your chips that you bought. Get your hot Cheetos. Guys, this is good with hot Cheetos. I haven't tried on any other chips, so I don't recommend trying on other chips. Get hot Cheetos, flaming hot Cheetos. And make sure you have some cheese too. It's going to be good, so. But what you guys are going to do is put your meat inside the bag. I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to do it over the plate, just in case. Alright, I'm glad I did it over the plate because I'm gonna put my other meat in here. And we should be good. So now the bag is looking like that, the Cheetos and the meat right there. So now we need the cheese. Alright, I'm gonna do 1 1/2. So this is a half a slice cheese. Put it in there, put it in there, put it in there. Now, the cheese should melt, cause your meat should be hot. Now I'm gonna get a fork or something to stir it. Here's my fork. It looks like that in there. Stir it up some. Hey guys, we're gonna wait till my cheese melts. We're gonna cut the video and come back when my cheese melts. Alright, y'all, we just heated up some of my cheese in the microwave because it was not melting. So, but we emptied out the bag, put it on a paper plate. Guys, this is good, guys. Now I'm gonna mix it up, you know, and eat it. You know, we're never gonna mix. This is good, bro. It's already kind of mixed up, sort of. Here's the plate. I'm gonna eat right now. Taste test.
This is bullshit.
First person to send me a video. If they did that, I'll pay like $10 or I'll give you 1,000 V-Bucks. Whatever you prefer. Like the video, subscribe. Your boy Flashy cooking video. Let's get it.